A new addition to the garage.
I guess that's your concern. We live in love.
$10, nobody can tell me who that is on the CD. Driver's side door panel removed. And if you'll notice, this has had a repair. The common failure that these power window motors are unsupported, and so you keep opening and closing the door. They fatigue the transmissions and the housings, and you have a failure. This is F, G, and H, real common. So you see somebody's been in here and they have cut an area, and they've attached a support to the motor, which is good, and then they have braced the transmission to the door, which is good. The door, super solid. And if you'll notice, it has the little metal wires in the weather stripping. We're talking about the wires that you never see, FGH, that were originally installed on the bottom of the doors. There. To hold the weather stripping in. Well, there's one of the wires. And if you look up inside the door, get my fingers out of the way. There. I'm confusing the camera, I think. But there's one of the wires poking through the door. Now, while we're talking about the door, I have had a lot of luck with dry lube. You know, when it comes to greasing doors and this old grease that's in there, oh man, it can be terrible. So now this latch, see, it doesn't have much grease on it. So I left it in place and applied dry lube to it, and things are moving quite well. I also use it on the window mechanisms, on the rollers. This one, let's see, I have the door handle disconnected. And you can see it just, well, you can hear that door handle just come off because it needs lubrication. That's not too bad. Just get way up yonder. 2 3/8, and as long as you don't cut yourself, away you go. Here's your door lock, lubricated and reinstalled. Nice easy pull here. Nice easy latch on the door. Ignition key locks the door. Ignition key unlocks the door. And you can button that one up. greased, lubricated the window mechanism, cut a vapor barrier, getting ready to install the door panel, which I've washed, and getting ready to put the door handle on. The screws have nothing to bite in down here, and there is nothing for them to bite. So I took up a couple of these clip retainers. I'm going to install them on the underside. And strips, the screws will have something to bite. Well, that'll button up the driver's door for a while. The door panel is not well secured at the bottom. The cardboard had been on and off enough times that the clips have nothing to bite. So I'm just going to live with it. I'm putting those retaining clips under here. These two have got plenty of bite and handle. So we will move on.